welcome to another unboxing with Creative 404. In today's video, we're going to unbox Miss Royal from the Dance Dance series of OMG LOL Surprise Dolls. I am really excited. My dog is playing with her toys, so sorry for the noise in the background. I have now 4. This will make my 5th OMG doll. I seem to have gotten a little bit of a taste for them now that I've opened them a couple of times before. And I am just really excited. I know I'm a little tired, but I'm really excited because this doll is one of my favorites that I saw online. I do look at the dolls online before I buy them. I see what the picture is of the overall look, but other than that, I'm usually pretty surprised. They also have this little graphics, most of them do, and I have to see the doll. I can't buy something completely blind. I did kind of buy my very first one completely blind. I did look at her online, but I don't remember much about her. So this thing has this little pop out, and then it has this cute little thing that makes it look like she's dancing. Does that work? It kind of doesn't work. But yeah, I'm really excited. I thought these dolls are pretty cool. I don't like all of them, so I'm not going to collect all the dolls like I have been for the Rainbow High dolls. But that is fine. I'm sure that they'll come out with more of the series for later use. Okay, let's see what they look like. You ready? Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Here she is. Ta-da! Oh, wow. This must have been one of their very first ones because she's already dressed. Oh, pretty. I'm not expecting her to be dressed. Miss Royal, she doesn't seem to have a zodiac sign. Let's see, does she have a zodiac sign? No, she doesn't have a zodiac sign. She does have one surprise thing. I love this little display in the back. That is cute. Wow, I wasn't expecting her to be already dressed. I was expecting her to be in some sort of underwear or something like that, like the other dolls have been. This is going to be a very fast unboxing. Her brush does not want to come out. There we go. I do love their shapy legs. They have such shapely legs. Oh my goodness. I love her outfit. I think it's very Rococo kind of look. Very royal, very pretty. X-Acto knives, parents, come in a lot of handy if you're opening this up for a child, but if a child, do not use an X-Acto knife. If you are under age, I find that it is very dangerous. Oh, yep, see, I've already cut myself. So be careful, guys, if you are using an X-Acto knife to open these dolls. Ah, she has the tabs in the head. Oh, but I got it out. Sweet. I love the little ponytails, the little pigtails with the braided pigtails. That is adorable. I love the lavender hair. Her little outfit is cute. The little bows are adorable. I'm not feeling the neon yellow on her outfit, but it does go with the lavender more than I thought it would. I love her little thigh-high socks or her knee-high socks. They're so cute. These girls always come with two little things. One's for the hips and one's for the waist, because they do have pretty wide hips. Oh, she has like little rivets on the side of her stand. That's cute. I like to put the one for her waist, not her hips, because I like the bee on the waist. The neon pink is pretty cute. All right, then well, we got two. We got this blind box thing and then this blind box. I don't know what's in them, so we will see what's going on here. What is this? Oh, it's a fan. How cool. All right, next one. And her jewelry. What is this? It's like a spray bottle? Oh, how cool. It's like a little spotlight. You can give her a little spotlight. That is adorable. It looks like a spray bottle. And she has some jewelry. She has a heartbreak watch and some earrings with some clear bows on them and some little black, what are they called? Crystals. All right, last one. Oh, it's the tutu. Okay. It's in the neon color, but I don't really like the yellow neon, but that's fine. I think it goes well with the pink, which I think was the whole case. All right, girl. Well, I'm going to keep the tutu off because I don't want it to really obscure her skirt. And I like her skirt. Is this a necklace? Well, no, it's actually it's not a watch, it's a necklace. I thought it was a watch. That's cute. And then the earrings. Oh, that is pretty interesting. They have a clear veil on her. Now, I know she's glow in the dark, which I can't show you how she glows in the dark. But I think that she has a clear veil on her face that comes alive when she's glow in the dark, which is kind of cool. It's like a mask that goes over her eyes. And that's Miss Royal. I'm going to put her on her stand again. Oh, she has bows on the back of her socks. That's cute. I love her hair. It's kind of crinkly. I'm going to put her skirt back in the hat box. Trying to keep my trash contained. Safety. There we go. You want to wear your flower, your thing? Ooh, her nails are painted pink. How cute. There she goes. And that's Miss Royal. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Other than that, this is a really fast one. I'm sorry about that. I really like her. I might customize her a little bit later on, because there are some things about their makeup that I don't particularly like. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.